Hello, second grade scientists. This week we're talking about rocks and minerals. We've got a fact chart for you that talks about the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. Teachers, if you'd like to pick out a book from the shelf to read, take back to your class and read, or read here, it's great. We've got 4 centers for you. The first center we have are, this one is on rocks, and we've got a couple of rock samples. And you can see they're labeled in little baggies. This one is pumice. And if you want to take it out, that's okay. Take it out and observe it and touch it, but then put it back in the bag. There's some sulfur, limestone, sandstone, coal, and pyrite. And what you're going to do is you're going to take turns classifying these rocks. And you're going to place your sample here. So if I'm doing pumice first, well, what color would I say that pumice is? Well, it's kind of a whitish, grayish color. What size is it? I might say that it's a little bit of a medium size. I would say the texture is rough. And is this shiny or dull? Well, if I look closely, there's no shine to it. It's dull, so I could put dull there. And then the name of it is, this one is pumice. This is what your mom might use to get the dead skin off her heels. And you're going to do that with 6 of these rocks, and then next week you'll have the other 6. And if you need to, there's a little cheat sheet for we only have the green and the purple today. Next week we'll have the blue and the red. So there's the green and then there's the purple if you need to look to get an idea. But you should be able to do it without looking. Over here we have a puzzle over the rocks and minerals, and this is just like the puzzles you've had in the past. You're putting them together. And then if you finish this puzzle early and your teacher says it's okay, you might be able to get a book from the shelf to read before your center time is up. At this table we have a game, and this game is about rocks, minerals, and soil. And this is going to kind of be like Sorry. You have a little puzzle piece. You take one card from the stack. Rocks are living, made of water, not living. Well, I know that rocks are not living. I might check with my group to make sure I'm right, and then they will say, yes, you're correct. Move two spaces. So here's the start, and I'm going to move 2 spaces, 1, 2, and then there's my guy. And your goal is to try to get to the finish. Okay, so there's that center, and then we have one more over here with the little file folders, and one of them is talking about, is it natural? Is it made by nature, or is it made by people? And see if you can figure out which is which. And then I want you to read the little 4 paragraphs together so you can take turns. And then over here you have the rock cycle. So you have a cheat sheet to help you. If you wanted to, you could do the cheat sheet first. You could do it and then flip it over and see if you could remember how you did it. Hot molten rock, where is that going to go? Here's your picture of the magma, and let's stick it right there. Okay, well, enjoy your time in the science lab. Have a good Friday.